Facebook switch account delete. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete the accounts from the switch account page on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it's quite simple. When you open up Facebook, you might have logged into many accounts, but now you decided to log out from here. But then what happened is that there were other accounts you logged in, the Facebook app saved it and saved the details for those accounts as well. And if you'd like to remove it, you can simply select that particular account here. Once you're here on this page, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and you will see a list of profiles and accounts that are currently logged in. So you can select a profile, tap on remove profile option, and that account will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete the switch accounts on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.